It's a beautiful New York moment, a loving couple oblivious to the world around them, locked in an endearing moment on the one train. And it was captured on Blake Ricker's cell phone.
You could just tell that they were in awe with each other. And it melted my heart.
Blake had just gotten off of a 10-hour nursing shift at Memorial Sloan Kettering, and he says this was just what he needed to see after a tough day.
When I got off the train and noticed how great the photo captured just the moment, I was like, I've got to find these people.
He posted the photo to Facebook and Instagram, hoping social media would do its magic to help him connect with the couple. 1 week later, it worked.
It went from, just a few of my close Facebook friends saying, oh, how sweet, this is such a sweet picture, to, within 3 or 4 days having, 10,000 shares and, 18,000 likes.
Karen Kettering DeMitt recognized her in-laws and reached out to Blake, saying they were busted out on a date night for their 64th wedding anniversary.
She said that their family didn't want them on the subway running around.
It turns out the couple was headed downtown for dinner after enjoying a show at Lincoln Center. Blake says he's been told they are flattered by the attention they are receiving, but as of now, choosing to stay out of the spotlight, though he does hope to meet them soon.
I would love to meet them and, have the photo printed out and, just give it to them, just for them to have as a keepsake.